Okay? Clear? Any doubts? No. Nothing. For tomorrow?
Hey, who are you?
I am the ship of the desert. Who are you?
Don't you know me? I am the king of the forest.
Are you? Oh, I see.
You call yourself the ship of the desert? How can you be a ship? You are an animal.
So I am. But people call me the ship of the desert. I can walk across the desert even on a hot afternoon. The sun burns, but it does not bother me.
I can't believe it.
Can you walk across the desert?
No, I can't. But I can run in the forest.
Every animal can do that. I alone can run on sand. I can run on sand at 25 kilometers an hour.
How can you do that?
Look at my feet. They are thick and padded. The hot sun does not burn them.
My feet are padded too. Thorns don't prick them, and I can run 80 kilometers an hour.
Oh, that is true. You can run 80 kilometers an hour in the forest. But can you run even a mile on the hot sand?
Maybe not, but
Mr. King of the Forest, please come with me to the desert.
no, I would better not. I can't walk on burning sand. I can't store food and water. I can't eat thorns. Goodbye. And good luck, Mr. Ship of the Desert.